Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here to install and review the new one-time NanoArmour screen protector for iPhone 16 Pro by FLOLAB. So I'm going to feel a whole lot better once I get a screen protector on my beautiful new iPhone 16 Pro, and it looks to me like the new one-time NanoArmour is going to be a really good product. So unlike FLOLAB's other screen protectors, this one comes in a 2-pack, which is great. It is also not an infinity edge-to-edge design. Instead, this one is going to be case compatible. So it's a little bit lower end in terms of the features and coatings and whatever as compared to FLOLAB's other screen protectors, but it's still going to be covered by the FLOLAB limited lifetime warranty, and it looks like a really nice product. Let's get this installed on my iPhone 16 Pro and check it out. So looking at the contents of the box, we got one microfiber cloth, you've got one little squeegee, you have 2 cleaning wet wipes, you have 2 super huge dust removal stickers, you've got 1 set of instructions, and then you've got 2 screen protectors, one of them in a protective envelope and the other one pre-installed in FLOLAB's installer. So prior to installing the screen protector, make sure you're working in as clean, well-lit, and dust-free environment as possible. And then before you start, you're going to want to shut down your phone. Things work better that way, because then you can see any dust or dirt. So immediately you can see when my screen went black, you can see more dust on here. So what I'm going to do now is get this perfectly clean. I'm going to start off with a cleaning wet wipe. I'm just going to use one. I can save the other one for the next screen protector I install from FLOLAB because again, this one does come in a 2-pack. So you want to thoroughly clean your phone screen. And then you're going to want to dry it off with a FLOLAB microfiber cloth. And then you want to take one of FLOLAB's super huge dust removal stickers and put this over the top of your phone. These are super fantastic. They're going to get rid of any remaining dust. Next, take a look at the FLOLAB one-time installer. This has one of the screen protectors pre-installed inside it. The other one is waiting in its protective sleeve for next time. So note that we have a top and a bottom to this, so be sure to put this on the right way around. So once we remove the dust removal sticker, you're going to take this and put it down on top of your phone, right way up, obviously. And then you're going to pull this little plastic tab here. And then once that is out, then the screen protector is going to be able to adhere onto your phone. But it's very important that first off, once you pull that tab, that you're going to wait 20 seconds because that is going to give it time to adhere onto the phone. And then you're going to run your finger up here after that, and then you're going to remove the installer. So first you're going to take the dust removal sticker and pull this one off of the phone, and then take the installer and put it down on top of the phone, again, top on top. Make sure that it is fitting on there properly. And then what you need to do is pull out this tab. I'm going to pull a whole lot of plastic out of here. And now I'm going to wait for 20 seconds. As you can see, it's adhering as we wait. And now take your finger and run it up the screen protector, and then you want to hold on to your phone in the middle and then pull the installer, and there you go. So we got a few little bubbles here. Fortunately, we have the squeegee. These are going to come out really quite easily, I think. Looking at the results of the install, I think everything looks great. We have a perfect alignment on here. There were only just a couple bubbles at the end, and they came out very, very easily. I think everything looks great. So as you can see, we don't have a completely edge-to-edge fit on here. This is not their infinity edge design. This one is designed to be case friendly. So it should work with virtually all cases. So we got nice rounded edges on here. I think everything looks great. And again, that installer is just a joy to use. In terms of performance, everything looks great here. Excellent optical clarity, slippery smooth oleophobic coating, very good against fingerprints. This is also very responsive, no issues with haptic touch. And based on my experience with FLOLAB screen protectors on my iPhones, I think that this one should wear very well over time. I've never had any issues with FLOLAB screen protectors on my phones. They work really great. Of course, this is covered by the limited lifetime warranty by FLOLAB. FLOLAB, so if it wears or breaks or anything like that, then FLOLAB will replace it for free as long as you pay a shipping and handling charge for the lifetime of the device. And of course, this does come with a 2-pack, so you have the option of going with a second screen protector as well. So overall, lots to love. So checking this out with a variety of cases from CASETiFY, ESR, Apple, RHINOSHIELD, and the FLOLAB Surtect case. So I'm not expecting to have any issues in terms of case compatibility with this screen protector because it is so very case compatible, but let's just check these out and see. So starting off with FLOLAB's lovely Surtect case, 13 feet of drop protection and swappable buttons and camera rims. Really nice case. So looking here, fit-wise, of course, it's a perfect fit. I would not expect anything less, given that they're both FLOLAB products. But everything looks great here. And just a really nice looking case here on my white titanium iPhone. And with the ESR Cloud Soft case, also a really nice case. Everything looks good here. You're close to the edge, but not quite. I think everything looks great. CASETiFY Ultra Bounce. That's a serious case. 32.8 feet of drop protection. It may be overkill, but some people really like to be well protected. And I think we've got a good fit here. Everything looks good. Another CASETiFY case. This one is their Bounce case. Not nearly as crazy as the Ultra Bounce. And again, excellent fit. Everything looks good. RHINOSHIELD SolidSuit. 11 feet of drop protection, swappable buttons and camera rims. And everything looks great here in terms of the fit with this lovely FLOLAB screen protector. Looking good. And finally, the Apple Silicone case in fuchsia because it's so pretty. So looking at this one, I think we've got a good fit here. So overall, I think we got a really great product here from FLOLAB. This is just a really nice screen protector, nice rounded edges. You've got an almost edge-to-edge, but not edge-to-edge fit. So this is going to be really case compatible. It's also got excellent optical clarity and a really nice oleophobic coating. I'm loving the fact that this comes in a 2-pack. I think that's excellent. And wow, that installer is just so easy to use. Plus, this is going to be covered by FLOLAB's limited lifetime warranty. So there is just a lot to love here. So the screen protector is going to be available directly from FLOLAB. It's priced at $24.95 for that 2-pack. And you can save 10% by using the affiliate promo code, especially for my viewers, which is TR10. Many thanks to the kind folks at FLOLAB for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this or anything else, please feel free to put them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.